Haku Koni-Leigh Liuvaie. One of my goals this year is to share vagahau Niue with everybody. Learning vagahau Niue starts from home. We want to share vagahau Niue with everybody in Australia, New Zealand, Niue, everywhere around the world. Okay, let's go. Bye, Valivau Nakai. You can learn vagahau Niue anyway. You can learn vagahau Niue at church, but don't go on your phone. Sharing vagahau Niue with everybody. Ko Haku Koni-Leigh Liuvaie. I want to help you to learn vagahau Niue. Fakalofa koe kia.
Aloha Kim Dolosi and welcome to 2021. Just want to say a big whakalahi to everybody that's been supporting our content over the past years. This year for 2021 we're excited to announce we'll be making more content, Niuean content for everybody, from dancing, Niuean dances to Koni-Leigh, learning the language of vagahau Niue, cooking, everything Niuean that you can think of. On Facebook you can find that under Koni-Leigh Liuvaie, learning vagahau with Koni-Leigh Liuvaie, and you can also check that out on YouTube. Once again, I'm excited about this year's opportunities and videos. Koni-Leigh will be leading our videos, and we're going to try our best to deliver some good content for you guys. Whakalahi, wai mnuena, tau nei, koe kia.